Modern Day Pirates Adventure Society, Murdock here. As you can see, I'm wearing my 3 pieces of flair required. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make a little keychain out of leather. And of course it's going to be an MDP one. But I'm going to go through all the steps here. What I want to do is show you to start. I have this stencil already made. And what this is going to do is just give me the shape. What I want to do is stencil around it with my pencil. Okay. And then after I've done that, I'm going to take a wet sponge and I'm going to wet it. You want to let that soak in for a few, which I've already done with this other piece. Hopefully it's not too dry now. And the next step I'm going to take is I'm going to take these stamps here, MDP, and I'm going to start stamping. So I'm going to start at the bottom here because I'm going to do them MDP up and down. So it's hard probably for you to see there, but this is the stencil mark of the pencil. And what I want to do is try and center it close to the edge, but not too close, so I still have room for my hole for the ring. And then I'm going to take my plastic mallet, poly mallet, and I'm going to go ahead and hold it sturdy and go ahead and hammer on the top here. Check that out. Okay, see that? Alright, now since I've already got that P in there, see how these are squared? It makes it easy to match them up with the next one. So I'm going to go in here, match it up with the next one, try to center it, eyeball it as good as you can. D. Okay. Here's my third one. M. Right. Okay. If you go too far, it'll go right through it though. It didn't go too far that time, so check it out. That's what we got here. Alright, hopefully that's going so good so far. Now, after that, after you make one of these, you're going to want to, well, after you do your stamping, oh look, as you can see, there's a spot on this that the D didn't go deep enough on it. Okay, I don't know if you can see that from there, but I'm going to put the D back on. Put the D on. No, shut up, guys. Okay, put the D back on here, and I'm going to get the spot that it didn't go into. And so now it looks like it went in all the way. So the next step is to wait for it to dry. After it dries, I'm going to do another video, okay? And with that video, I'm going to show you how you cut it out, punch holes, and do this kind of thing around it, like no, actually, I'm not going to do a border on this, never mind. I could. I'll show you how to do a border anyway, just for the hell of it, okay? And so, the general idea of like a patch or stamp or anything like that, you start out with the regular leather piece, then you start doing the rounded edging and whatnot, all this around here, the groove, and then I put a stencil on of the lettering I want to do, and then in the end, after everything's finished, it'll look something like that before staining. But this is a different patch, of course, so you'll have to see as we go. Alright, and hopefully this is good.